You're watching ports on AMP.
On AMP.
Noah from AMP. I hated that. I hated the what's up. How did I ever intro these?
1 second.
Oh, yeah.
May I grab a hat?
It's bright. We're gonna wear the hat and glasses together.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
I put the mic like I had something to say. I had nothing to say. Anyways, scale of 1 to 10. Oh, I just saw a seal out there actually right after you said that. Hey everyone, it's Noah from AMP and welcome to season 2 of AMP on the Street. Now that COVID restrictions have lifted, we are out here with our friends at California State Parks at Point Lobos Reserve, Whalers Cove. Today is World Ocean Day, so we decided to ask some of our friends with California State Parks what World Ocean Day is, how we can help our oceans, and just some fun questions. We don't have masks on because we're vaccinated. We are outside. It's a beautiful day. And let's get into it. So I'm here with
Patrick Webster.
And Patrick, you're with the Monterey Bay Aquarium?
Yeah, I do the social media over there.
Oh, awesome. Very, very cool. So Patrick, you were a diver today.
Yeah, very excited to finally bring this World Oceans Day celebration to fruition. We were canceled last year because of COVID, ended up doing something inside the aquarium and then out here on the kayak. So happy to bring it all together and actually get underwater with state parks.
So my question for you is, what's the best part about being a diver and being under the water?
Well, really the best part is being able to see the world that's hidden beneath the waves. So much of our planet is covered by ocean. We often talk about 70% of the planet, but actually 99% of the living space on the planet is underwater. And so the second you can look underwater, you're looking at the rest of the world that we have out there. So being able to see the other planet that's on Earth is the best part about diving.
That's awesome. Super cool. Well, thank you for talking with us and being here on World Ocean Day.
Sure. Thanks for being here. Happy World Ocean Day to you, to everybody watching.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so I'm here with
Sturm.
And Eric, were you a diver today?
I sure was. It was a lot of fun. We were down there looking at everything under the water, the animal life, plant life. It was amazing.
That's awesome. So what's the best part about World Ocean Day to you?
The fact that we celebrate it, the fact that we come together worldwide and celebrate a day to protect our oceans, and thanks to our oceans and all that our oceans give back to us.
That's awesome. So if you had a message for everybody out there that didn't happen to catch the live stream of you under the water, what are your words to them about saving our oceans and protecting our oceans?
First of all, go find the video link and watch it. It's amazing. We did a great job. The divers did anyway. My second thing is, do one small thing in your local neighborhood that would help protect oceans. Don't think you have to save the world. Just save one little space in your own backyard.
That's awesome. All right. Well, thank you for being here. Happy World Ocean Day.
Happy World Ocean Day.
Okay, so I'm here with
Angie Edmonds.
And Angie, were you a diver today?
Yes, I was.
Awesome. And you are with State Parks, correct?
Yes, with California State Parks. I normally work up in the North Coast Redwoods District, which is in like Humboldt, Del Norte counties. And I was lucky enough to travel down here to join our divers and our dive team to do some underwater interpretation.
That's awesome. So, Angie, my question for you today is, if you could be any ocean animal, what ocean animal would you be?
I was going to say that's hard, but then I remembered my answer. I would be an octopus because they are so smart. They can camouflage really well. They move so gracefully, and they can change colors, which is really cool.
That is very cool. Angie, do you happen to know if we have octopi here on the Monterey Bay?
Yeah, we do. There are probably, this isn't my area of expertise necessarily, but I'm sure we have giant Pacific octopus hanging out like in deeper water, maybe sometimes shallower, and some of our smaller octopus species as well hanging out in the kelp forest and rocky reef. So
Super cool. Well, happy World Ocean Day. Thank you for being here.
Yeah, happy World Ocean Day.
Okay, so I'm here with
Brad Cray.
Brad. What is your role here today?
So I manage our distance learning program called PORTS. That's Parks Online Resources for Teachers and Students. But I also do a lot of the other digital outreach for California State Parks.
Awesome. So Brad, I'm just going to ask you a real basic question. What's the best part about World Ocean Day to you?
I think it's bringing awareness to the public about the importance of our oceans. And the way that we're doing it today is really great because if you don't live near the ocean, you can still experience it. So going underwater live with our scuba divers from California State Parks and from the Monterey Bay Aquarium kind of brings that ocean into people's homes.
That's awesome. Well, thank you for being here. Happy World Ocean Day.
Happy World Ocean Day.
So I'm here with
Elena Abbott.
And Elena, are you a local to the Monterey Bay?
No, I'm not.
It's World Ocean Day today. You saw the dive team down there and everything. So if you had to be any ocean animal, what ocean animal would you be?
A sea otter for sure.
Why?
They're so cute and fluffy, and they just lay on their backs and crack clams open all day. It's so cute.
They are. Have you seen any since you've been here?
Not since I've been here. The last time I was here, I did. Hoping to see some today.
Okay, fingers crossed for you. We'll put the good World Ocean Day vibes out that you get to see your sea otters.
Hopefully.
Happy World Ocean Day. Have a good one. Okay, so I'm here with
Lila Lero. Bella Del Aguila.
Brielle Shin.
Sophia.
Nicole.
And Adrian Olera.
Okay, so guys, did you know it was World Ocean Day?
No, we did not, but I love animals very much.
You do?
I love them more than people.
Oh, me too. What's your favorite ocean animal?
My favorite ocean animal would be an octopus.
Ooh, why an octopus?
Because I like how they can match their habitat, and I think that they look really cool.
That's super awesome. One of the divers down there, the octopus is actually her favorite ocean animal as well, and she was telling us that there are giant Pacific octopus in this ocean, so that's pretty cool. In this cove particularly. Anybody else favorite animals?
My favorite animal is a seal.
Oh, seals. We haven't gotten that one today. So you guys, scale of 1 to 10. Oh, I just saw a seal out there actually right after you said that. Scale of 1 to 10. What would you rate this view right here, this ocean view?
I would say a 10. Googleplex.
That's such a good one. Well, thank you guys. Happy World Ocean Day. I'm here with
Daniel Williford.
Dan. What is your role here today? What were you doing?
I'm a state park interpreter, so what I was on the kelp kayak right here on the Whalers Cove, and I was connecting with students live.
That's awesome.
And connecting with our divers live as well. So today we took our program to another level. We went underwater and we got a chance for the students to interact with the divers.
That's so cool. So in honor of World Ocean Day, my question for you is, what is your favorite ocean animal?
My favorite ocean animal, well gosh, I mean here at Point Lobos, it's the sea otter. It's amazing, the sea otter, and we get a chance to see it here every day. You know, this habitat is so healthy here that we see the population actually starting to rise.
That's beautiful.
Isn't that great? Yeah.
Yes. What's your message for the people on World Ocean Day?
It's up to you and me to make sure places like this always exist. It's up to all of us, not just one person, not just two people, but everyone, to make sure that our oceans are clean and healthy.
Well, thank you, Dan. Happy
My
World
pleasure.
Ocean Day.
Happy World Ocean Day.
Woo! So I'm here with
Jennifer Langer.
And Jennifer, what's your role here today?
I actually worked as a co-host with Erica Delamar, delivering our live stream World Ocean Day event that we did today.
That's awesome. And what's your favorite way to celebrate World Ocean Day?
Ooh, doing what we just did today, live streaming, connecting with people all over the state, all over the world for that matter, and sending out our message about taking responsibility.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So my question for you today, we're in this beautiful Point Lobos Reserve. What would you rate this cove on a scale of 1 to 10?
Oh my goodness. I mean, really? The answer's a 10.
Oh.
I mean, come on, look at it. It's phenomenal. I'm from Southern California. Every time I get to come up here and do some work, when I'm in Whalers Cove, I am just taken back by how gorgeous it is here, the biodiversity that's out there, the amazing hiking, and just all the people are great here too. It's just a phenomenal place. So a 10 for sure.
Oh, awesome. Yeah. Well, thank you for being here and happy World Ocean Day.
Thank you. Happy World Ocean Day.
All right, so I'm here with
Erica Delamar.
And Erica, what's your role here today?
I am the Marine Protected Area Outreach and Education Project Coordinator for California State Parks, and I'm the project coordinator for this whole event.
So basically, she's running the show, everybody. This is her thing.
I put it together and could not have pulled it off without a lot of key players. So Ports program coming together, the California State Parks dive team, and of course our partners at Monterey Bay Aquarium.
Awesome. So Erica, what's so important about World Ocean Day? Why are we here today?
Yeah, so World Ocean Day is actually my favorite holiday, to be honest. So we're celebrating our one big global ocean. And really it's important to highlight how the ocean, it doesn't separate us from other places, it actually connects us. All life on planet Earth is reliant on a healthy ocean ecosystem. So it produces more than half of the oxygen in our atmosphere. So every other breath that you take, you can just say, thank you, ocean.
Thank you.
Feels good to take that nice deep breath, doesn't
It's
it?
so good,
Yeah. So the global ocean not only produces the oxygen we breathe, it also regulates our weather. It's also a really great way to kind of slow climate change. The ocean sequesters carbon as well. So the ocean's super important, and we're celebrating. So just like we have Mother's Day and Father's Day and all different holidays, we should also celebrate and thank our ocean once a year.
How can people celebrate World Ocean Day?
There's a lot of different things that you can do in your community. So if you live right along the coastline, maybe you do a cleanup in your community. Maybe you live farther from the coastline, you're still in a watershed and you're connected to the ocean. So you can pick up trash along your shorelines, along your sidewalks, on your school playground. There are other things you can do, like reducing your carbon emissions. So instead of driving to school or work, maybe ride your bike once a week or walk instead. Using public transit is another great way. So when we slow climate change, we're also protecting the health of our ocean.
Awesome. And just because we're in the beautiful Monterey Bay, it's a beautiful day. Yeah. What is your favorite part about the Monterey Bay in particular?
All right, so about the Monterey Bay area, we're here on the central coast of California, and I've got to say that probably my favorite thing about this area is our deep submarine canyon. So there is a submarine canyon that runs out through the heart of Monterey Bay, and it is really the thing that is responsible for the immense amount of productivity that we have here in our ocean. So the deep, nutrient-rich water in that submarine canyon is brought up to the surface through a process called upwelling, and it brings nutrients into and along our coastline, and that's what allows the kelp forest to thrive here. That's why we see so many species of whales cruising by. Literally, we've got whales migrating up and down our coast at different times throughout the year, and it's all because of how much food is available here in our ocean, and we can thank that deep submarine canyon for it.
That's awesome. I've lived here my whole life, and I had no idea about the deep submarine canyon.
The canyon that we have, the canyon that is underwater in Monterey Bay, is deeper than the Grand Canyon. Yeah.
I put the mic like I had something to say. I had nothing to say.
Well,
that's awesome. Well, thank you so much. Yeah. Happy World Ocean Day.
Yeah, you too. Happy World Ocean Day.
Thank you.